Well, here she is, a Fender box. Should we see what's inside? Yes. My trusty opener. Oh, good, dangerous. Well, there's a neat moulded case, as they say, as they describe. Whoa. Quite heavy. There we go. Hope you're all watching intently. Right. My knife. Dun, 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 dun. 1, 2, 3 caches. They're all right, good. Love that case. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Wow. May I? Yes, of course you may. Look at this. Whoa. Can you see the finish on this baby? Look at that. Look at that. Whoa. An American. They told me to keep away from Corona, but I love their factories. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. It's not very loud, but I can plug it in. Yes. Oh, that is so good. Look at that. And it's so light compared to my other Strat. I've got a Mexican, but this is quite light. I believe these go about 7.15 pounds. So it's a little bit of a tune, but what a beauty. Well pleased. Well pleased. Now, before I put her to bed, see you later.